The driver bumper sits in the bottom of your nail gun cylinder. The rubber bumper acts as a stop for the piston. The piston strikes the bumper at the bottom of its travel, which stops it and absorbs its energy. Over time, the rubber bumper will begin to harden and eventually will crack or crumble. Replacing the driver bumper is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the magazine from the nail gun. It's secured with a couple of screws and nuts. Now remove the nosepiece assembly from the bottom of the gun. And now I have access to the driver bumper, and I'll go ahead and remove it. With the old bumper removed, now I can install the new one. The side of the bumper with the slot cut in it should go in towards the gun. Now I can begin putting the gun back together. I'll begin the reinstallation by installing the nosepiece. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the magazine. And that's all it takes to install a new driver bumper in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.